Hey guys, here I am in the off-grid cabin, and I wanted to let you know that today we are going to be over at Melanie from Road to the Farm. She has a cooking course that she has put together for those of you who want to be gluten-free, who have food sensitivities that are pretty out there. She has fibromyalgia. She's working through it with her diet. So make sure to go check out her channel, but it'll be here on my channel on Facebook Live, Dirtpatcheaven on Facebook, at 10 a.m. Mountain Time, and hopefully we'll see you there. And then I think that tomorrow, Sunday, will be, so I think that's the 15th, Sunday the 15th, we will be back on Facebook Live with Catherine. We'll be doing some spinning, some prepper talking, so hopefully you enjoy seeing us there for that too. So this is how the cabin's coming along. I think it's pulling together nicely now that we have some colors back here, and we have the rocket stove in. I think it's all just looking really good. So hopefully you'll come and see us. Make sure to go check out our Pinterest, our Facebook, our Instagram, and our Etsy store. We have a whole bunch of recipes for hair oil, for ebooks for the animals if you like goats, pigs, rabbits. And I'm trying to get my gardening book up that talks about hotbeds. So go check out our Etsy store if you'd like to support us. And we'll talk to you later.
I'm Julie.
And I'm Melanie.
And we're
Moms on a Mission, empowered to bring abundance to our families.
Get our energy back up. Okay. Ta-da!
Okay. So for the last couple months, I really had this strong impression that fermented foods were going to be the next part of our healing journey. And when we cut out dairy, we cut out yogurt and kefir and cheese and all those things that you would naturally get that are just part of most people's life that are fermented or have that beneficial bacteria in it. And so we've cut all of that out, and we've struggled to really get all of the probiotics that we need to colonize our gut. And so I feel like there's probably things that we could digest and that we could tolerate, but we're not, because we don't have the microbes that we need in our gut to really heal us.
Braid girls! And we are super excited. We are in Melanie's studio today, which is a total change up. She has such pretty pink walls as a change from my Arctic blue ones.
I love your blue.
Oh, thank you. I love it too, but sometimes it's just nice to be in something that doesn't make you turn the heater up a little bit. You know?
So start where you're at. It's really doable.
It is. And we have super fun doing this, so make sure to keep asking questions. And make sure to share this like on Pinterest and Tumblr and what other platforms are there?
Facebook, Instagram.
Share it, because we'd really like people to be able to join in and ask a lot of questions. And it's just fun to rub shoulders with everybody and have friends out there that are likewise trying to improve the world around them and to make a happier life for their families.
Yeah. And what did we miss? Put it in the comments.
And if you don't see our questions that you've already put up coming up, it's because we're just getting into this and we're fighting with our cameras and we're fighting with each other. You just don't see it on camera. And but we're going to get really good at this really fast, so spread the word.
Yep. I like my bouncy ball, except I get all excited when I start bouncing. I'm like, oh, this is really, and I didn't have it ready.
Right, and then we forget that we're on camera. Is it actually going?
Yeah.
Okay. And my we were on such a roll too.
Yeah.
Is that my child?
Oh, it's mine. To empower our, and then I forgot what I was doing.
Head-on position. It always ended up.
Start over, because this I start doing this when I get nervous.
I know. How am I going to say this?
No, I didn't breathe yet.
Okay, don't breathe.